We hear it everywhere. Eat your vegetables, make healthy choices. But what does it all mean? Nutrition is simply the science of food and how it affects our bodies. It's about understanding the nutrients in food and how our bodies use them to grow, have energy, and stay healthy. Just like a car needs fuel, our bodies need food to function. But it's not just about filling our stomachs, it's about choosing foods that nourish us from the inside out. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. To run smoothly, it needs the right fuel. That's where nutrition comes in. It's about making smart choices about what we eat and drink to fuel our bodies in the best way possible. Good nutrition is the cornerstone of good health. It's no secret that the food we eat directly impacts our physical and mental well-being. When we nourish our bodies with the right nutrients, we feel better, have more energy, and are better equipped to fight off illness. On the other hand, poor nutrition can lead to a whole host of health problems, from fatigue and weight gain to more serious conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. The choices we make at each meal can have a profound impact on our long-term health and vitality. So, investing in good nutrition is an investment in a healthier, happier you. Imagine your digestive system as a complex processing plant. When we eat, our bodies break down the food into smaller components: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients are then absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to different parts of the body. Carbohydrates are our primary source of energy. Proteins build and repair tissues, while fats provide insulation and help our bodies absorb certain vitamins. Vitamins and minerals act like tiny spark plugs, playing essential roles in various bodily functions. Each nutrient plays a unique and vital role in keeping our bodies functioning at their best. It's like an intricate orchestra, with each instrument contributing to the overall harmony of our health. Let's break down the big three: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These macronutrients are vital for our overall health and well-being. These are called macronutrients because our bodies need them in larger amounts compared to vitamins and minerals, which are micronutrients. Carbohydrates found in grains, fruits, and vegetables provide our bodies with energy. They are the primary source of fuel for our brain and muscles. Think of them as the fuel that keeps us going, especially during physical activities like running or cycling. Proteins found in meat, poultry, fish, beans, and lentils are the building blocks of our bodies. They are crucial for growth and development. They help us build and repair tissues, make enzymes and hormones, and keep our immune system strong. Without adequate protein, our bodies can't function optimally. Fats found in oils, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish often get a bad rap, but they're essential for our bodies too. They play a key role in maintaining healthy skin and hair. They provide energy, help us absorb certain vitamins, and insulate our organs. Fats are also important for brain health and hormone production. The key is to choose healthy sources of each macronutrient and consume them in the right balance for our individual needs. A balanced diet ensures we get the right nutrients to support our daily activities and long-term health. Vitamins and minerals, the unsung heroes. Think of vitamins and minerals as the unsung heroes of the nutrition world. Though we need them in smaller amounts than macronutrients, they are no less important. Vitamins and minerals are essential for a wide range of bodily functions. They help us convert food into energy, build bones and teeth, boost our immune system, and protect our cells from damage. From vitamin C, which supports our immune system, to iron, which carries oxygen throughout our bodies, each vitamin and mineral plays a specific and vital role. These micronutrients work together to ensure our bodies function optimally. Eating a varied diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein is the best way to ensure we're getting enough of these essential nutrients. Water, the elixir of life. We often overlook the simplest yet most essential nutrient of all: water. Water is truly the elixir of life, making up about 60% of our body weight. It's involved in countless bodily functions, from regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients and flushing out waste products. Staying hydrated is crucial for our health and well-being. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and even more serious health problems. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially during physical activity or hot weather. Remember, listening to your body's thirst cues is key. If you're thirsty, reach for a glass of water. The importance of a balanced diet. Just like a balanced life is important, so is a balanced diet. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health and well-being. But what does that even mean? Many people are unsure about what constitutes a balanced diet. Simply put, a balanced diet means eating a variety of foods from all food groups in the right proportions. This ensures that your body gets all the essential nutrients it needs to function properly. Think of your plate as a pie chart. Each section represents a different food group that contributes to your overall health. Half of your plate should be filled with fruits and vegetables, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nutrients are vital for maintaining a healthy immune system and preventing chronic diseases. 1/4 should be whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, which provide energy and fiber. Whole grains help in digestion and keep you feeling full longer. The remaining 1/4 should be lean protein sources like fish, chicken, beans, or tofu, which are crucial for building and repairing tissues. Remember, variety is key. Proteins are the building blocks of your body. Don't be afraid to experiment with new foods and flavors. Trying new recipes can make your meals more exciting and nutritious. The more diverse your diet, the wider range of nutrients you'll consume. A varied diet ensures that you get a balanced intake of all essential nutrients, promoting overall health and vitality. Healthy eating habits for a healthier you. Healthy eating isn't about deprivation or following strict diets. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that nourish your body and make you feel your best. Start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. Choose lean protein sources and healthy fats. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips, opt for a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices that support your overall health and well-being. Fun facts about nutrition to keep you engaged. Did you know that a single strawberry has more vitamin C than an orange? It's true. Strawberries are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can boost your immune system, or that eating blueberries regularly can improve memory and cognitive function. These tiny berries are like little powerhouses for your brain, helping you stay sharp and focused. Nutrition is full of fascinating facts that can make healthy eating more fun and engaging. When you know the benefits of what you're eating, it can make every meal an exciting opportunity to nourish your body. For instance, did you know that watermelon is a natural electrolyte and can help with hydration? It's perfect for hot summer days and can keep you feeling refreshed and energized. Or that dark chocolate in moderation can have heart-healthy benefits? Yes, indulging in a piece of dark chocolate can be good for your heart, thanks to its rich antioxidant content. These fun facts remind us that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Sharing these tidbits with friends and family can make mealtime more enjoyable and educational. It's about exploring the delicious and nutritious world of food and discovering the amazing ways it can benefit our bodies. From vibrant salads to hearty soups, there's always something new to try. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for something that sparks your curiosity and excites your taste buds. Whether it's a handful of nuts, a piece of fruit, or a veggie-packed smoothie, there's always a nutritious option waiting for you. The long-term benefits of good nutrition. The benefits of good nutrition extend far beyond a slim waistline or glowing skin. By nourishing our bodies with the right nutrients, we're investing in our long-term health and well-being. Studies have shown that a healthy diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. It can also boost our energy levels, improve mood, enhance sleep quality, and sharpen cognitive function. Good nutrition is also crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, which in turn reduces the strain on our joints and organs. Moreover, it strengthens our immune system, making us less susceptible to infections and illnesses. In essence, good nutrition empowers us to live longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. Conclusion. Nutrition is the foundation of a healthy life. In conclusion, nutrition is not just about counting calories or following the latest diet fads. It's about nourishing our bodies from the inside out. providing it with the essential building blocks it needs to thrive. By understanding the basics of nutrition and making conscious food choices, we can fuel our bodies for optimal health, energy, and vitality. Remember, every bite we take is an opportunity to nourish our bodies and invest in our long-term well-being, so let's make each bite count. Choose foods that are as delicious as they are nutritious and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you. Let's embrace the power of nutrition and make it a cornerstone of our lives.